Hello everyone. So February's over and I have to tell you that I really feel like I have acquired my how to finish things. So I was able to do all of the empty pages in this album. And I'm going to do a little flip through for you, and I'll show you where I did new pages and where there are pages that are videos. Okay? So actually, if I remember like these older pages, if I remember that there are videos to go with them, I'll let you know. So I know there's a video for this one. And I know that there is also a video for this one. I hope you can see. Like, let me see if I can move some stuff here. Give you all a little bit of a break. So I chose the project way of tackling getting through my stash, and I think that that's the way I'm gonna go because it seems to work really, really, really well for me. So I'm just gonna go through here. So these are all, now remember, this is my chronological album, so it's 2016. This has a video. I know this has a video. I think this one has a video too. This has a video. This is for Spiegelmom Scraps. This is one of the ones that I did to complete this album. There is not a video for this one because these aren't my kids and I didn't feel comfortable putting them in a full video, but so I'm just going to go through here and flip through. This one is one of the pages I did, and there's the video for this one. This is another one of the pages that I completed. Don't have a video for this one. So yeah, I'm super happy. So now this album is finished. It can go upstairs in my bookcase and out of my scrapbook room. And I think that I am going to go ahead and just grab the next chronological album for this month, which I'll do a flip through of that too. There's a video for this, there's a video for this. This video actually went up today. Or for you guys it would be yesterday, I guess. So, I'm trying to think if there's videos for these. I don't know. I think there's a video for this one. And this is a free cut file from Spiegelmom's, from Paper Issues. So, I think I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to take this album and I'm going to put it right up on the shelf upstairs, and then I'm going to get the next album that would chronologically be next, and that's what I'm going to work on for March because it worked, because I'm getting stuff done, because I'm staying much more focused with this kind of approach to the idea of not just, so I'm using product, but I'm also getting projects finished. Okay, let me go put this away. I'll grab the next album chronologically, and I'll meet you back here in a sec. All right, so this is the next album chronologically that I have with empty spots in it. So this is another one from 2016, and it kind of starts in the middle of November because we had a huge family pictures, and I got tons of those pictures developed, and I did tons of them, so there's some at the end of the last album, and then the rest are in here. So I have these huge pictures. I've done this one and this one, so I have one more here. Then we have some more family photos, one here, so that's 2 pages. Day in the life from October of 2016. November. I'm just flipping through here and seeing how many pages I need to complete. So I have a pocket page here, both sides that needs done. So I have two big 12 by 12 layouts at the beginning, pocket page and then another pocket page. Eight and a half by 11, 2 pages. So 2 8.5 by 11. I did a couple, this album ends up being 2 months, and that's it, because I had all these like big photo shoots that I just took my time and scrapbooked just so. So it doesn't look like there is a ton here to do, again, like the other one. So we have some pocket pages. We have some 8.5 by 11, a really nice mix of things here that need to be scrapbooked and documented. And so that's really awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of get to work on this. I might take the pocket pages. So I think the 8.5 by 11 and 12 by 12 I can do for videos. My pocket pages, though, I think I'm going to do those. I'm pretty sure that I'm just going to do these pocket pages at a retreat coming up this weekend, possibly, unless you guys want to see pocket pages. So I do pocket pages, but I never film them. I also do Project Life, but I don't film that either. If those are process videos you'd like to see, by all means, leave me a comment below and let me know. But from what I can tell, just by viewership and such, you guys like your 12 by 12 pages. And a couple of the other things, like you guys really like the card videos and stuff like that. But I do pocket pages too, so if that's something you're interested in, I would be happy to shoot at least one process video, if not more. All right, that will take care of this month's How to Kill a Kit or project with style, both what I've completed and what I'm going to work on for March. I'll talk to you all again soon. Bye.